1285 Greenwich Street, Southwest Atlanta, in a historic West End. Preparing for our open house tomorrow. The home is ready. It's finally ready. I'm so excited. They have worked tirelessly to get our landscaping together, to give you a parking pad, a walkway, and actually cleaning out this alley, because you would have access from the alley if you wanted to pull your car all the way through to the back of the house. You can either access from this side of the house or the other side, but it really looks good. The owner of this property took her time and really invested the money where it needed to be invested in. She did take down a number of hazardous trees in the back. Well, they were already down, just chopped them up, made sure that she wouldn't leave that debris around, and did some light landscaping and a clearing for you. So hope to see you tomorrow. We have this home open from 2 to 4 p.m. on Sunday. So come on out, take a look. It's a 4-bedroom, 3 full bath home, living room, dining area, open concept to the kitchen, but also have a family room right in between, in the middle here in the house. And in the back you have a bonus room, additional bedrooms, the master bath. This is going to be a beautiful home for any family. So we're ready to get this property moved. I hope to see you tomorrow here in the historic West End, 2 to 4 p.m. If you have an agent and your agent can't make it, come anyway. I will not penalize any agent or take away any brokerage commission if you come without your agent and want to view the property and then make an offer with your agent. So during the open house, you are free to do that. So come on, and I will see you soon.